The Xiaomi 15 Pro's LTPO OLED display reaches an impressive 3200 nits brightness thanks to M9 luminous material. Its 6.73-inch screen has slimmer borders, subtle corner curves. The Xiaomi 15 branded triple camera includes a 50-megapixel OmniVision main sensor, periscope with 5x zoom, and ultrawide lens. The Xiaomi 15 Pro's 6100 mAh battery supports 90 watts wired and 50 watts wireless charging, recharging quickly and balancing power with Snapdragon 8 Elite efficiency for outstanding longevity. The S24 Ultra is packed with AI-driven photo tools like Magic Editor, Live Call Translation, and Circle to Search. It's backed by 7 years of updates, ensuring long-term performance and security. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is built as the ultimate Android phone, merging top-tier hardware and software. It boasts a 6.8-inch Quad HD AMOLED display, flat and bright at 2600 nits with a 120 Hz refresh rate. The display is vivid and ideal for all lighting conditions. The S24 Ultra's camera setup includes a 200-megapixel primary lens, ultra-wide lens, and 2 telephoto cameras. The highlight is the new 50-megapixel 5x telephoto lens, offering sharper images in the 5x to 10x zoom range. This setup is perfect for photography lovers. When comparing the dimensions, the Xiaomi 15 Pro measures 161.3 millimeters in height, while the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is slightly taller at 162.3 millimeters. This makes the S24 Ultra the longer device of the two, which could influence how they feel in hand and their portability. In terms of weight, the Xiaomi 15 Pro is lighter at 213 grams compared to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, which weighs between 232 grams and 233 grams. This difference might appeal to users who prefer a more lightweight device for daily use. The Xiaomi 15 Pro features a 6.73-inch display, while the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has a slightly larger 6.8-inch screen. This minor difference may enhance the immersive experience on the S24 Ultra, especially for media consumption. The Xiaomi 15 Pro boasts a versatile camera setup with 3 50-megapixel lenses, including a wide periscope telephoto and ultra-wide. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra features a remarkable 200-megapixel wide lens alongside a 10-megapixel telephoto and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto, providing exceptional detail and clarity in images. The higher megapixels on the S24 Ultra allow for better cropping and detail retention in photos. Both devices offer similar internal memory options, with configurations of 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB available. However, the Xiaomi 15 Pro provides an option for 16 GB of RAM in the higher tiers, which could enhance multitasking capabilities compared to the S24 Ultra's maximum of 12 GB RAM. The Xiaomi 15 Pro features a resolution of 440 by 3200 pixels, resulting in a pixel density of approximately 522 ppi. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, with a resolution of 1440 by 3120 pixels, has a slightly lower pixel density of around 505 ppi. This means that the Xiaomi 15 Pro may offer sharper text and images. The Xiaomi 15 Pro is powered by an octa-core Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, providing high performance with efficiency. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra utilizes the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which also delivers robust performance. Both devices are equipped to handle demanding tasks and gaming seamlessly. The Xiaomi 15 Pro houses a substantial 6100 mAh battery, which is significantly larger than the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra's 5000 mAh. This could translate to longer usage times for the Xiaomi, making it a better option for heavy users who prioritize battery life. The Xiaomi 15 Pro features a 32-megapixel front camera, while the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has a 12-megapixel selfie camera. The higher resolution of the Xiaomi may result in clearer and more detailed selfies, appealing to social media enthusiasts. The Xiaomi 15 Pro includes advanced features such as Leica lens technology and various shooting modes, enhancing the photography experience. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, however, boasts features like nightography and AI-based scene optimization, which can significantly improve low-light photography and overall image quality. The Xiaomi 15 Pro's front camera offers features like HDR and time-lapse photography, which are great for creative shots. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra adds dual video recording and night mode, making it versatile for capturing moments in various conditions. The Xiaomi 15 Pro runs on Android 15 with HyperOS 2, while the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra operates on Android 14 with One UI 6.1. The newer OS on the Xiaomi may provide additional features and optimizations. Both devices utilize high-performance chipsets, with the Xiaomi 15 Pro featuring the Snapdragon 8 Elite and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra using the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Each chipset is designed to enhance overall speed and efficiency in processing. The Xiaomi 15 Pro sports an LTPO AMOLED display with peak brightness of 3200 nits, while the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra features a dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display with peak brightness of 2600 nits. The higher brightness on the Xiaomi may improve visibility in bright conditions. The Xiaomi 15 Pro includes a 2K low-power super sunlight display, which enhances outdoor visibility, while the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra features an always-on display, providing quick access to important information. The Xiaomi 15 Pro is equipped with the Adreno 830 GPU, while the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra features the Adreno 750. Both GPUs are capable of delivering impressive graphics, but the performance may vary slightly based on the specific tasks. The Xiaomi 15 Pro supports impressive video capabilities, including 8K recording, while the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra also offers 8K, but adds features like stereo sound recording. This can enhance the overall video experience for users. Both devices come equipped with advanced sensors, including under-display fingerprint scanners and accelerometers. The similarity in sensor technology means both phones offer reliable security and functionality. The Xiaomi 15 Pro includes features like a cooling system and fast charging options, while the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra offers Samsung DeX and stylus integration, appealing to productivity-focused users. In terms of pricing, the Xiaomi 15 Pro ranges from $700 to $900, while the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra starts at $999. The price difference may be a significant factor for consumers when making a decision.